The Starling Fixed Saver account is a fixed-term deposit product designed for personal current account holders in the UK who want to lock away a specific amount of money for a set period in exchange for a guaranteed return. To get started, you must already have a Starling personal current account, be at least 18 years old, and be a UK resident. The account requires a minimum deposit of £2,000, and you can hold up to a maximum of £1 million across your fixed savers. When you set up the account, your money is placed into a dedicated savings space inside the Starling mobile app or online banking. The funds are locked for a fixed term, typically 1 year, meaning you cannot withdraw or move your money until the full term reaches its maturity date. However, Starling does provide a 14-day cancellation window from the day you open the account if you change your mind, returning your initial deposit without interest. The interest rate on a fixed saver is fixed for the duration of the term, meaning it will not change regardless of broader market fluctuations. Interest is calculated every single day based on your balance and is paid out in full at the end of the 1-year term when the account matures. You can also open multiple separate fixed saver spaces if you want to manage different savings goals simultaneously. Furthermore, eligible deposits are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme up to the applicable limit, providing added security for your locked savings. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.